Today we're going to be creating a premium liquid glass preset in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into Effects and then search up Fusion Comp and drag down the Fusion composition into your timeline. Right click and open in Fusion page. Good. So now that we have this media out, drag it over here. Piece of media instead as your background, just go with media. Now we're going to add a merge and another merge. Drag it over here. Select all these and drag them down because we won't be messing much with this. So we're going to go to number 2 and add a displace node. And it might connect to the yellow, but that's actually wrong. We want the input of this instead going to the media in. We want this going into the green, this going here. So it should look something like this. Next, we're going to connect a rectangle node. Alright, and that should be in the green again. Alright, so that's good. We have that set up. Now we're going to want to drag the merge 1 input to the yellow output of the displace or input. Alright, now that we have that, you're going to go to the displace and you want the settings to be, so for offset, -1, so you can just type -1. Refraction power, you want to go -4. Light power is 1.2. Light angle you can keep, and spread you want 1.4. Good. You should have something like this. The blur node, so here, blur. That is going to be right in between here. So if you can see, we can hold on to this, select shift and drag it in between here to connect it. Very good. All right. It kind of looks a little bit blurry. And if you want, you can drag all of these down. Like so. And you can go here, merge. And then you can import media. So right here, let's just say I put this transparent image right here. I'll connect that to the merge. And now you can see that it refracts. If we had to transform to that, you can see if we drag our size to right here, and then you just use the center X and drag here, you can see that nice liquid glass. Perfect. So now, if you want to save this as a preset, you're going to want to select all of the nodes except for the background and media out. How you're going to do this is you might need to switch that out so that you can instead go like this. I'm going to right click on any one of them, go to settings right here, the settings, save all as. It's important you save all, not save as, save all as. Then you're going to go in here. You will see a file pop up. You're going to go to the file name. You're going to select not the suffix, but the prefix, the suffix, and I'm going to want to change that to liquid glass preset dot setting. All right, you're going to not save it in settings, but instead you go to the Fusion page, you go to macros, click on the macros folder, and you will have, depending on plugins installed, you will have either 0 or many, and you're going to save it. right here. Now right here, just right click or left click, and you're going to go liquid glass preset. And you can see right here, liquid glass preset. Add that in, and you have all of these nodes right here you can use at your will. All the settings are saved, everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out my website, marlonthedog.com, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.